This is real, guys. YouTube is changing the partner program, and if you are trying to make money from YouTube, you need to know what is coming. According to this update, starting February 1st, 2027, new creators will need 1,000 subscribers plus either 800 qualified watch hours in 12 months or 20 million qualified short views in 90 days to unlock ad and YouTube premium revenue sharing. That is a big change. The watch hour requirements doubles and the short requirement doubles as well. But please pay attention to this part. If you are already in the YouTube partner program, this new entry requirement don't automatically remove you from YPP. However, YouTube says existing partner will need to review and accept the updated terms by January 31st, 2027 to keep earning. Now, there is another important change for short. YouTube says creators will need to maintain 10 million qualified short view within 90 days to earn from short ad and premium revenue sharing. But falling below that number doesn't mean your entire YPP account disappeared. Other earning options can still remain available, and YouTube is also introducing more ways for creators to earn, including targeting insensitive around shopping, brand deals, and other creators opportunity. There is also an expansion of Premium Lite, which could create another source of subscription related revenue for eligible creators. So what should you do? Don't panic. If you're already monetized, open YouTube Studio and check whether you have a notification asking you to reveal the new terms. If you are still building your channel, don't wait until 2027. Start building your audience now. And there is a biggest lesson. Don't build your channel just to hit the monetizations number, but build a channel people actually want to watch, because subscribers and watch hours are the result of good content. If you are using AI, please don't make hundreds of low quality videos just to chase those numbers. Use AI to create faster, but make sure you are still creating something people genuinely want to watch. I've also put useful AI prompts, tools, templates and resources inside my Telegram community. You can find the link in the descriptions. This is real, guys. YouTube is making changes and smart creators need to pay attention before the changes take effect. If this helps you, like this video, subscribe to Kemmy Hub and turn on notifications, because I will keep breaking down the latest YouTube and AI update in simple English. I will see you in the next video.